Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 26, 2021. You guys can tell we're going to talk about AMC and see whether or not if this stock can give us another 20% increase in price. And if so, we need to make sure that we are already in position in anticipation of grabbing that 20% out the market before anyone else anticipated happening. Now, before I break that down, we're also going to show you all another confusing chart as to why so many people lose money in the markets and how you need to eradicate that from your own price chart so that you can see the cleaner picture as to where prices are going to go in the stock market. So if you want to participate, if you want to be part of our team, our community of people who is predicting prices without being confused, join us, follow us. We're for you, you're for us. Make sure you build up this community. And you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing here to this channel if you want to learn more and also to stay updated on our price predictions within the stock market. All right, so let's talk about AMC real quick. Well, no, besides that, I'm not going to talk about AMC right now. I'm going to show you all this confusing chart in fractals. Okay, so you all can already tell, right? This is ridiculous. What in the world is going on in the market with this chart? Now, this particular product that this chart is looking at is Bitcoin, right? And this is from Destiny JV. Whoever this individual is definitely causing a lot of confusion, which is one reason why we do not place nothing remotely close to what this individual is trying to put on this chart for Bitcoin. It gives us nothing but confusion. You see thousands of lines plastered all over this chart. You are in no better position in understanding where Bitcoin in this specific situation is going to go. So why would you try to confuse people? Why would you be under the impression that the more lines you have on this chart, the better you are? And looking at this visually, without looking at nothing else, if this was all the information that you had and you had to come up with a price, you're clueless. When no one have any idea as to where price is going to go for Bitcoin just by looking at this. And then take a look at the post. Take a look at what he or she wrote in regards to that chart. And this is pretty much the area I want to talk about right here. Okay. This is this technical jargon that I try to push on this channel that we don't need, that we don't utilize on our channel specifically, because it causes nothing but confusion. Now, look at confluence factors. The fib timelines up very nicely with the impulse moves and correction thus far. Fifth speed fan has the current local trend bending into an equal triangle along the top 4 resistance, golden pocket, possible UT at the 8th fib time where it meets the fifth fan at half 0.5. Possible UTAD at 0.786 resistance of the trend based fib extension. This was a major support, flipped into resistance level previously and caught a major wick almost to the dollar just about 2 weeks ago, around $45,500. Number 5, the 1.618 fib extension is also acting as support at the base of the triangle. 6, first target base on a simple 101 from the height of the triangle gives about 19,873 and is right around 2.272 fib on the same extension. Right? Confusion. You still have no idea as to what this market is anticipating to do in the future. You had to go through all of that just to get an idea that this individual is expecting Bitcoin to go lower. That's it. That's the only thing we are all interested in, is where price is going to go. And in order for me to make a determination as to where price is going to go based off this so-called analysis, I will have to go through all of this. That's ridiculous. Time is very valuable. And that's something that we do here on this particular channel. We value time. So the quickest sense possible is the quickest way for us to understand where price is going to go. Would you rather look at this chart or would you rather look at ours? The cleaner the chart, the more you understand where price is going to go, right? So take a look at this. Our last price prediction into the market, the AMC. was actually on May the 1st. And we played the weakness into the market in AMC. You can go back and listen to that video. It is in our AMC playlist. And we told you all that we were playing the weakness into the market in AMC, and that we were expecting this market in AMC to try to hold some support initially around $9. Boom. It did that. Maybe 3 or 4 days into our prediction, we told you that we would TP out the market, take some profits off the table right there around $9. And that actually came to fruition on May the 6th. Because we told everyone on that video that we can actually see the market prop up price right there around $9. And it did. So 10.5%, 10.45% profitability right there, right before the market in AMC went higher. Now, this ascending line, let's go ahead and take that away. This ascending line is still playing an active role in where price is going to go in AMC. Okay, you guys can see that following our prediction right there on May the 1st, that May the 4th, we traded below that ascending line. That told us that the market in AMC was giving us more weakness. But maybe 7 days into the market in AMC trading below that ascending line, we broke back up above it. That was a massive clue that AMC is still trending strong and that the demand in this particular stock is still there. And we are clearly now well within the market going higher in AMC. And we confirmed that. Let me show you right here on this particular trading day. This is where the market in AMC came and confirmed that the price in AMC was going to go higher. And not only did we see the spread come through, the volume as well came through in AMC for us to break back up above that ascending line. Massive. So we are still in a bullish uptrend into the market in AMC. Now that 20% price that we're looking at for AMC to go to is like taking the market up there around $20. Okay. So looking at this on a longer term basis, this is the 3-day time frame in the market in AMC, and the strength is definitely still in play for this stock. Okay. Now, this is where the area of restriction is in AMC back here since like 2017. Okay. We are at restriction right now. So I don't want you all to get it twisted. $16.50 is an area of restriction into the market for AMC. How do I know? Well, take a look at this. We've seen the market in AMC get rejected there in 2019, and it got rejected a couple of times back in 2017. So we're there, but I'm comfortable in expecting the market in AMC to go higher as long as we trade above $13.25. The demand is still there. $13.25 is where the market support needs to be maintained, maybe a little bit higher, around $14.50. But generally, the strength into the market in AMC is still on the table. And the next area of restriction will come through. First area is going to be around 18, ultimately around 20. Okay. So this is where we're going to play the strength into the market in AMC. Trend is still involved. Trend is still in play. It's just that easy, and it's just that simple. Right here on the weekly time frame, massive spread is being revealed into the market in AMC. And I think a lot of people are anticipating, the current situation going on with AMC and the movie theaters finally opening back up. That's going to spur more demand, more interest in terms of making more revenue for this particular company. And I think many people are trying to get in position for that and looking at the market in AMC going higher based on that alone. So we're going to play the strength, and it's just that simple. We're going to try to target $18, then eventually up there to 20, so long as that demand continues to flow through past $18. So our first area is around 18, which gives us around 10.25, 20%, 20.25% is around $20 in the market in AMC. I told you that $13.25 would be our area of support, even though I really like 14 to be maintained there as well. And that's it. Okay, we're going to play the strength into the market in AMC. The 3-day time frame I like for this market to try to continue to go over there towards 18. Our biggest area of restriction is going to be around 20 though. Okay, so this is it. Maybe look at this on a 5-day time frame. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in AMC. $18 is our first area to peak. Second area is up there around 20. As always, the market doesn't play on even numbers, so we might fall a little bit shorter than that. You know, $19.75, give or take. But that's the area ultimately that we will be expecting the market in AMC to go. Now we're in position. This is our expectation as to where we're expecting the price to go. Now, I want to give you all the opportunity. Like I said, you want to join this team, join this community. We need to start calling the market. So drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, where do you all think the price in AMC is going to go over the next 2 weeks? 2 weeks. Where will price be? This is what we're expecting the market to do in the next 2 weeks. Now I want to know what you all think. So drop the comment in the comment section and let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.